Hello Stoners, Kane here again with another chronic product review for weedonline.com. Come check out our site for all the latest news and reviews. Today we are checking out the Rocket. So this is a keychain that you can carry around that is a grinder, a carrying case to store your weed, post ground, store your ground up weed. It actually grinds right into the storage container. A dispenser, so it'll come straight out, and a one hitter. So this thing is awesome. We're going to be trying it out with the one hitter portion of it, and we're also going to be trying it out with the Magic Flight Box because this needs a nice grind, and if this can dispense right in it, I'm definitely going to be recommending these two together. Now it does come with a keef catcher. Good idea. I like the option. I wouldn't use this big of a keef catcher in something that I'm carrying around, personally myself, but there are some people that would. So definitely cool that they supply that. Me personally, I would not use that. Let's check out the unboxing and then we'll dive deeper into the product. Get this open super quick. Okay. Some paperwork. Nothing else in there. Okay, very cool pouch. I like the pouch. Got a little manual. Grind, funnel, contain, and one hitter. Very cool. Got a grinder there. Oh yeah, the funnel container. It also has a screen if you want to put in a keef catcher there, and then that way just your keef will fall in. And there's your one hitter. Alright, let's try it out. So as you can see, you get everything you need to get started. We're going to break up some Pink Death. I'm going to throw that in here. First, we're going to just check it as a grinder. Now, it is a small size, but it's meant to be a keychain, so I expect it to be small. I'm going to throw in a couple of small buds in there. Nothing that's going to overwork it or overpower it. This is for something that's on the go. If you want to break up a pound of weed, don't do it on the go. You know what I mean? Oh, it's very smooth function. Extremely smooth function, actually. Oh yeah, that's perfect. A couple more little buds in there. This will be a perfect test because the Magic Flight Box needs a certain consistency. These are both portable items, so if this breaks it up into that consistency, that's awesome. If they can work together, cool. If not, a one hitter also takes pretty much the same consistency. So it having a built-in one hitter, it should have a consistency roughly that size anyways. Okay, I'm very impressed with the ease of the grind. I'm extremely impressed. A couple little pieces stuck in here, but nothing I would worry about. Something you can take care of when you get home. Okay, and it did dispense it into the chamber. So first off, let's try it out as the dispenser. So right now it's all contained into this black part. We're going to unscrew the one hitter portion of it. So this is the one hitter. And we'll just see the dispense. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Takes a little shaking, but to be expected. You got some dank bud. Not just gonna trumble out of there, but Wow, yeah, I like that. That is good. And the consistency of the grind seems very, very good too. Oh yeah, the grind is the proper size for it to dispense out. There you go, there's that. And I wonder what the one hitter. I wonder if it's supposed to. See, with the one hitter part, I would expect it to kind of dispense into it. Let's see. Oh, there we go. And whatever misses from the one hitter just lands into the chamber. That's how I'm going to be doing it. I'll just take that off. That is awesome. Okay, that is phenomenal. That works really good. Alright, so just load it while it's still in there, and whatever misses lands into the chamber anyways. But that hits like crazy. I like that a lot. Wow, that is smooth too. I would expect that to be super harsh. That is incredibly smooth. That is unbelievable. Wow, super smooth. I would expect that to be massively harsh, but that it's not. I don't feel... It felt like I wasn't getting anything, to be honest. Holy, okay. I am definitely throwing that in my bag. I hate pre-grinding bud and carrying it around. And I tend to do that a lot because I didn't have this. This thing... I can just carry the bud around. It grinds awesome. No lag on it whatsoever. Like, and then it just stores it all in there anyways afterwards. Okay, very, very, very cool product. Definite shout out to you guys. We'll be adding the link in the description. This comes apart for cleaning. Phenomenal product. I am very impressed. This will definitely be put in my bag for daily use. But seemed like an awesome consistency for the Magic Flight box. We'll give that a rip. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's awesome. That's cool. Very good product. Definitely recommend this. Again, I know I keep it up on certain products, but does not look like something marijuana related. Definitely check them out. Good to travel. Anyone who has a Magic Flight box, I would say this is very good to travel with that, because if you can grind it right up into the trommel there, that works very well. Very cool. Anyways, hope you guys liked this video. If you did, slam that like button, hit subscribe. Definitely check out the Rocket. I do recommend this product. I will be carrying that with me, with my Magic Flight box. You guys have an awesome weekend. Treat yourself with respect, and treat everybody around you with respect. The golden rule. If everybody follows that, everybody's happy. You guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.